Hey there, fashionistas and trendsetters. Ever feel the urge to shake up your style, breathe new life into your wardrobe, and embark on a thrilling journey of fashion-forward self-discovery? Well, you've come to the right place. Vicky's Style is here to guide you through the exciting adventure of transforming your style. First things first, find your fashion inspiration. Dive into the vibrant world of fashion magazines, scroll through social media to spot the latest trends, or even take cues from your favorite TV shows and movies. Gather images that resonate with you, construct mood boards that reflect your unique style, and identify the elements that speak to your fashion soul. Remember, this style transformation is all about expressing your personality, boosting your confidence, and feeling fabulous in your own skin. Now let's delve deeper into the fashion universe. From chic and classy to edgy and bold, there's a whole world of fashion out there waiting for you to discover. Try on a variety of styles, think elegant and sophisticated one day, and vibrant and daring the next. Don't just stick to what you know, instead step out of your comfort zone and experiment. Maybe boho chic suits your carefree spirit, or perhaps the minimalistic Scandinavian style resonates with your love for simplicity. You might even find that a mix of grunge and preppy perfectly captures your unique personality. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression, so don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. This journey is all about finding what truly defines you and makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Then it's time to experiment with blends. Ignite your fashion flair by matching diverse clothing items in an unusual way. Combine a casual graphic tee with a high-end tweed jacket, or sport a sleek leather jacket over a white crisp shirt for a trendy and unexpected twist. Refresh your current collection and let your style aesthetics gleam with each unique outfit you put together. Don't forget to accessorize with flair. Statement jewelry, oversized sunglasses, colorful scarves, stylish hats. These are the cherries on top of your style transformation. Accessories are a fun and playful way to add a personal touch and inject your personality into your new look. But remember, at the heart of your style transformation is confidence. Own your new look, wear it with pride, and let your playful attitude radiate. Fashion is a powerful form of self-expression, a way to showcase your individuality and creativity. Embrace your unique style fearlessly and let your confidence shine through every outfit you choose to flaunt. So, are you ready to embark on a playful style makeover? Follow these tips, unleash your creativity, and have fun exploring new fashion horizons. Remember, transforming your style is an exciting journey of self-discovery. Embrace the process and let your fashion flair shine bright. And there you have it, fashionistas. That's it for our Playful Style Makeover Guide. If you enjoyed this video and found VS tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Your likes are an affirmation and they inspire me to bring more such fashion transformations your way. Now, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. VS channel is a treasure trove of fashion inspiration and style tips. And by subscribing, you make sure you never miss a beat. We are a community of fashion lovers and I'm excited to have you be a part of it. So join us on this stylish journey and let's transform the world one outfit at a time. Thanks for watching, fashionistas. Stay stylish and see you in the next video.